doing problems. Oh, how badly I want to take his mirror. What is up, YouTube? We are back with another banger. Today, we haven't really gone to like a straight motorcycle meet in a very long time. So, to keep it short and simple for you guys, that's exactly what we're doing today. We're going to stop by my buddy's house. We're going to go pick him up, and we're all going to ride out. It's a little gloomy today, I'll be honest. Like, it just got done raining. It wasn't raining bad, though, so I'm not too worried about it. The funny part about all of this is the place that messed up my paint and gave me a run around time about everything is actually the same company that's hosting this meet. So we'll see how this goes. I mean, I don't have beef with this part of the company, if that makes sense, but as a whole, I just hate the entire company. My chain apparently is also feeling a little loose, so we definitely gotta tighten it. I've seen way worse chains before, so I'm not too worried about it. We're not gonna be doing anything stupid. Bonjour!
Hello.
You ready?
Yeah.
See, the urge to just, oh, that sounded so good. Holy lordy. The urge to just throw a wheelie up it's there. I want to, so very bad. Is it smart? Probably not. Should I? Probably not. Could I? Absolutely. Would it be kind of steezy? Absolutely. Oh yeah. He's the blueprint. He is the blueprint. You know, sometimes I feel like a Corvette owner because this bike has not seen rain or snow in like years. Let me tell you guys. When I first bought it, I actually rode it home in a rainstorm. Other than that, though, the bike has never seen rain or snow. A little bit of rain won't hurt. I've seen people all over social media doing wheelies in the rain on their stunt bikes. You go to the playground after this. Hey! We'll recreate that one scene where I rev the bike and he clicks the quick shifter and you just go flying. I want a 636. A stock 636. I want one so bad. definitely going on a group ride. And they're going ham crazy down there. I think we have a Busa down there. Yeah, definitely a Busa. Got a Gixxer 1K there too, and then a bunch of other bikes.
Are you guys going on the ride?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know the route?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna take a couple rights so we don't have to cut it left.
Yeah, thank you. We have actually never been on a group ride before, so I almost want to like kind of stay in the back just because I really don't know how these people ride. We got a lot of cruisers, that's for sure. We got a ton of cruisers. I hope there's a couple stunters in this group ride. Oh, that ZX10 sounds so crispy. I wish you guys could hear it. The microphone just doesn't do it justice. Never thought we would be riding with some brothers. But hey, there's nothing bad by it. As long as they're cool, we're cool. You know what's not cool though? My temperature. My bike does not want to go this speed right now. I'm holding like first, second gear right now. It does not like it. Alright, so on this group ride, we got a couple things that we got to make sure of. We don't get absolutely macked by a 400, a cop doesn't light us up, and we don't eat shit, and everybody stays safe. Oh, I need gas. You know how long it's been since I've had my gas light come on? Exit right here, so I ain't too worried about it. Yeah, we'll stop, get gas, we'll cruise the rest of the way up need be, but oh wait, it's right here, never mind. I was expecting the stunt riders to ride with us on this group ride because we're going up to the other dealership. So let's stop and grab some gas and we'll see what we're doing, honestly. We definitely got to pick up the beat a little bit harder. It's been pretty slow. There's a lot of traffic right now. This dude's on my wiener. Fuck you, pussy! Come here! No, we got a road rage, come on! Problem. I'm in the lane doing the speed limit and that's not enough. Yeah, I'm in my lane doing the speed limit. He rides on my flashes his lights and then we get behind him and he brake checks us. What a loser. I mean, maybe we're not making the situation any better, but weirdos, man. I almost don't want to follow too close in case he wants to brake check us again. Oh, how badly I want to take his mirror.
Unfortunately didn't get to finish the YouTube video or do the outro, sorry, because I pulled over with SMD and Code SEC. We just talked about the road rager and everything that happened. Definitely don't do what I did, just avoid the problem as a whole. I definitely should have just left completely, but we were going the same exact way. So it was a little hard, but at the same time, just avoid it completely. Stay safe. You're not winning against a car in general, especially if you're on a motorcycle. But we're going to wrap up today's video here. I appreciate everybody that stops by. Today's video was very short and very slow, so I really do apologize to everybody. But next week, let me tell you guys, it's going to be a banger video, and I promise you guys will not want to miss out on this one. This week's video was kind of last second, so it was really hard to put everything together. Stay tuned for next week's episode. If you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment. Subscribing is the best way to support me. It's completely free to you guys, and it supports me to be able to do the things that I truly love to do, to give you guys content. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell to the side of it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!